guys, welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a kind of a winter makeup look. So if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. Plus Olay, Simply Ageless, Hyaluronic Complex, and Vitamin C foundation. So I'm going to start with the smallest dot on my Blend Smart brush. And just kind of do dots around my face and then blend it all in. Concealer, and this is in the color Pale. So I'm just going to apply this underneath my eyes. I'm like almost out of this. I need to get more concealer. I'm going to just apply it underneath my eyes. Just going to first blend it in with my finger. I'm going to set the foundation with it also. We're going to go on to the eyebrows. Next, I'm going to use my eye palette that I actually made. I'm just going to use my finger to apply it. I'm going to go down to a smaller mirror actually. So, I'm just going to apply that to my eyes. For eyeshadow, first I'm going to go into my L'Oreal nude palette. And I'm going to take this color here. I'm just going to apply that to my face. Foundation palette from Rimmel. I'm going to take, I can't open it. There. I'm going to take this Plum color here and just deepen up the crease. I'm going to take my blending brush. This is from Sephora. This is my favorite blending brush. And just blend the edges. For the lid color, I'm actually going to go into my Be the Game Changer Be the Game Changer from Makeup Obsession. I'm just going to take this color, which is named Adapt. I'm going to add a little bit more white to it. So I'm going to go in. This entire eyeshadow came out. I was so mad. Okay, so I'm gonna take the this one. This time I was gonna use this one, but since that one came out, I'm gonna just use that one. So I'm gonna take that shadow and just go directly over Adapt. Just to give it like a little bit of like frosty color. I don't want to go too... So I've misplaced my eyelash curler and I have no idea where it is, so I'm just going to go in with mascara. I'm going to use my Scandal Eyes Volume On Demand mascara from Rimmel. I'm just going to lightly coat my lashes. So again, so the last thing for the eyes is I'm going to use my NYX professional, I'm going to use the NYX Slide On Glide On eye pencil in pure white, and I'm just going to line my waterline. So I'm going to use my favorite blush right now. This is the Maybelline Fit Me blush in the color Mauve. And I'm just going to apply that with my Sonia Kashuk blush brush. And I'm just going to apply that to my cheeks. Okay, so now I just put on my, I used chapstick to prime my lips, but I kind of want to get a lip primer. I haven't found a good one. If you guys have a really good lip primer, comment down below because I've been really looking for one. So I'm just going to use my Maybelline Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour lip gloss. Looks like that. I'm just going to apply that to my lips. I'm going to wait for it to dry a little bit, and then, apply this side, which just kind of looks like that. So I'm going to wait for a little bit, and then I will be right back. So it's dried a little bit. I'm just going to apply it the other side now. And that is pretty much